Process of novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV nucleic acid diagnostic kit testing. The kit is used to qualitative detection in vitro that for the suspected cases of new coronavirus infections in throat swabs and sputum. The kit is composed of reaction mix A, reaction mix B, positive control, and negative control. Please read the instructions carefully before use. The experiment should be operated in the biosafety cabinet. Before the testing, make sure the swab specimen collection and nucleic acid extraction have been processed properly. Step 1. Reagent preparation. Operation in the reagent preparation area. Take out PCR reaction A and PCR reaction B and balance them at room temperature. Then mix and centrifuged at 8,000 RPM for a few seconds before use. Mix the components thoroughly and then centrifuge for a short time to make sure all the solution on the wall of the tube to the bottom of the tube. Then take the 15 microliters amplification system into PCR tubes. Step 2. Sample addition. Performed at the sample processing region. Add 5 microliters of the negative control, sample and positive control to the PCR reaction tube respectively. Cap the tube tightly and centrifuge at 8,000 RPM for a few seconds. Then transfer to the amplification detection area. Step 3. PCR amplification. Operation in PCR amplification area. Put the reaction tube into the sample tank of the instrument. Open the software. Select New Experiment and select FAM, VIC, and Psi5 channels, and select corresponding wavelength. Then set the circulation conditions. After setting the parameters, save the file and run the program. Step 4. Interpretation of results. Landwind Medical. See life more clearly.